Okay. Right. So yesterday we'll discuss about that forms. So today we're going to discuss inline elements. So what are the inline elements is there? What is the use of inline elements? We can discuss now. So first of all, the basic structure is mandatory. Without basic structure, we can't able to do anything here. First, the basic structure. So what is the basic structure now? The HTML will be block, open tag, close tag. So within the block, we have to define head on section will be there, body on section is there. So the head section is called as tab section. The body section is called as document section. Two section, head on section and then body on section. Okay. So the head on section will be there, body on section is there. This is the basic structure of HTML. What is the head section now? The head section is called as tab section. Within the tab section, we can assign the page name by using title tag. So today we are going to discuss inline elements. So what is the inline elements? What are the inline elements will be there now? First of all, I'm going to make one command line here, HTML command line, less than exclamatory hyphen hyphen is called as command line. So within the command line, inline elements. So what is the inline elements? Yesterday also I told you like what is the inline elements, right? So what is the inline element means? What is the inline elements means? The inline estimate. uh, um, uh, So the inline elements and all start with same line. See, it doesn't start with the next line and it will get only necessary with. That is the inline elements. Clear? So the inline elements and all always it will start with same line. Only it get necessary with. See, inline element list will be there. What is the use of inline elements now? Which make everything in same line. It will never mix as a new line. That is the inline elements here. Clear? So what are the elements will be there now? Inline elements one by one we can discuss here. So the first one here. So the first one anchor tag is there. So what is the use of anchor tag now? Like which is used to connect the pages from one page to another page. Anchor tag. So the anchor tag indicates a tag. The anchor tag indicates a tag. So now I'm going to make one a tag here. Anchor tag. So what is the purpose of anchor tag now? Which is used to connect connect the pages from one page to another page. That is a anchor tag here. So now the anchor tag indicates a tag. Now the a tag will be created. So within the a tag, I'm going to assign the home will be content. Save this file. Just you can. open with live server to you can execute that one. See, now the home content will be executed here. The home content we are getting. So now after that, so initially the normal content is there. Initially the normal content is there. Home will be content. So now we have to make as a link tag. How to make as a link tag now? See, nothing will be there. Initially the normal content will be there. How to make as a link tag now? So there only we are using that example. There only we are using that attribute. Which attribute now? href one attribute is there. By using href attribute, we can make as a link tag. href is an attribute. By using href attribute, we can make as a link tag. Save this one. So now we are getting like link tag. Now we are getting like link tag. So now, for example, initially here, like something page will be there. For example, here Naukri page will be there. This is a Naukri page. Uh, just you can copy this URL. Just you can copy this URL and then you can close this one. So there is no any Naukri page, right? My requirement is when we click that home option, we have to execute this Naukri page now. Save the file by using URL2, we are going to execute that one. So nothing will be there. When we clicking this home option, we are getting that Naukri page. Clear? Click this one. How we are getting that page now? By that URL2, we are getting that page and all. So this is the way for we are connecting from one page to another page. What is the use of tag now? Like that is the anchor tag which is used to connect the page from one page to another page. So when we clicking that home option, we are getting that something the Naukri page, right? Naukri 5. So the same page only, that same tab only, the another page also triggering. So we have to execute some another tab. In that case, there also one attribute will be there. What is that attribute now? Target one attribute is there. By using target underscore blank value to, we can execute some other tabs. See, for example, initially the home content will be there. Click this one. See, now the Naukri page it executing some other tabs. See, before that it executing the same document only, the Naukri file also. Now it executing some other tab. See, it executing other tab. So this is the target attribute underscore blank is the value. And then the next one, abbreviation. So what is the abbreviation tag now? So what is the abbreviation tag now? So like which is used to give the abbreviation of the element. For example, see here, like which is used to show the abbreviation of the content. For example, how to do that one now? For example, I'm going to assign one tag here. ABBR tag indicates abbreviation tag. ABBR tag indicates abbreviation tag. Within that abbreviation tag, like welcome to TCS, something content will be there. Save the file, just go and check it your output now. See, now the welcome to TCS, we are getting that content. So the anchor tag also same line only is there. The welcome to TCS also same line only is there. Why now? Because this is the inline elements and all, always it will start with same line and then only it get necessary with. So that's why it will always we are getting as a same line. So we have to make as a one by one. In that case, we are using that break line, BR tag. So by using BR tag too, we can make as a one by one. See, now we are getting as a one by one. Welcome to TCS. Now in between, we have to make as a some more space. Now we can use one more break line tag. We can make it as a some more space. See, now we are getting welcome to TCS here. After that, now what is the full form of TCS? Tata TS. The spelling mistake. TCS. So what is the full form of TCS? Tata Consultancy Services is a full form, right? So like how to assign that when the cursor will be moved into TCS, we have to show the full form of TCS now. How to do that one? There only we have to use one attribute. Which attribute? Title one attribute is there. By using title attribute two, we can show that full form. So what is the full form of TCS now? Tata Consultancy Services is a full form. Save the file. Just go and check it your output whether it is working or not. So when the cursor will be moved into TCS, now see the Tata Consultancy Services, the abbreviation will be executing, right? So now the title attribute, the abbreviation tag is working fine. So now when the cursor is moving to welcome, there also the abbreviation will be executing here. This is not proper way, right? When the cursor will be moving to TCS, then only we have to show that full form. Otherwise, not required here. When the cursor is moving to welcome, now here also the abbreviation is executing. This is not proper way. In that case, how to do that one now? In that case, you can use any one paragraph tag here. Within the paragraph tag, welcome to content will be there. Within the tag only, I'm going to use abbreviation tag, ABBR tag. So within the abbreviation tag, so ABBR tag, within the abbreviation tag, TCS content will be there. Now save this one. Just go and check it our output now. Now also we're getting that same output. When the cursor is moving to this TCS, now also it triggering. When the cursor is moving to welcome, now also triggering. So now my requirement is when the cursor is moving to TCS, then only we have to show that full form. Otherwise, not required to show anywhere. That is the thing here. In that case, paragraph within the paragraph only welcome to the content will be there. After that, the Sorry guys, I left that title. So like where I was left, which tag, where I left, which tag, which tag guys? Abbreviation tag. From starting only I left the meeting. So abbreviation is completed or we have to see nothing will be there. So abbreviation tag now, which is used to give the abbreviation of the content. For example, the TCS will be there now. For this TCS, we have to give some abbreviation now. The Tata Consultancy Services will be abbreviation. How to give this abbreviation now? By using title attribute to we can give the abbreviation. See, save the file, just go and check it your output now. See, when the cursor will be moving to TCS, now the abbreviation will be triggering it. When the cursor is moving to welcome, there also the abbreviation will be executed. This is the proper way. In that case, we are using one paragraph tag. The paragraph tag too, we are using that abbreviation tag. How to use that one now? Within the paragraph, within the paragraph only, the abbreviation also is there. Within the abbreviation tag only, the content TCS will be there. For this TCS only, we have to make as a full form. In that case, we use that one. And then when the cursor will be moving to welcome, nothing will happen. When the cursor is moving to TCS, then only the full form will be executing. So this is the way for we using the abbreviation tag. And then coming to the next one. What is the next one now? So B tag on tag is there. What is the use of B tag now? Which is used to give the boldest text. Which is used to give the boldest text. One paragraph will be there. So within the paragraph, like web development, something content will be there. Save the file. Just go and check it your output now. Now the web development, the content will be created. And then I'm going to create one B tag also. B tag means bold text tag, bold tag. So within the bold tag also, same content only is there, like web development content only is there. Save this one. Just go and check it your output. What is the difference we are getting? So we are getting like some boldest text, right? The same font size, everything will be same. Text size, font size, and then width size, everything will be same. What is the difference will be there now comparing paragraph and then bold tag. So whenever we're using that bold tag now, we are getting like some boldest text here. That is a bold tag. And then next one is a break line one tag is there. So the break line, before break line, bi-directional override one tag is there. So what is the use of bi-directional override tag now? So which is used to make reverse order of the content. So how to make as a reverse order now? For example, I'm going to use one paragraph tag. Within the paragraph tag, Murthy will be content is there. Save this one. Just go and check it your output now. So now the Murthy will be content. See, now we are getting Murthy. After that, now I'm going to use the bi-directional override tag also. So how to declare one bi-directional override tag? Now BDO tag. The BDO tag indicates bi-directional override tag. So within the bi-directional override also, Murthy some content will be. Save the file, just go and check it your output. So in paragraph also Murthy is there. Within the bi-directional also Murthy is there. So whenever we are using the bi-directional override tag now, we can make as a reverse order. So how to make as a reverse order now? From starting, M will be there, in end of the letter, Y will be there. So reverse order means from starting we are going to make as a Y letter, in end of the letter we have to make as a M letter. In that case, we have to use one attribute. Which attribute now? DIR, direction on attribute is there. And then what is that value now? Initially, the content will be left to right is there, initially order wise. Now we are going to make as a right to left. RTL means right, T means to, L means left. Save the file, just go and check it your output. See, now we are getting as a reverse order content here. Clear? After that, next one, break line on tag is there. The break line also inline element. The break line also inline element. What is the purpose we are using the break line now? Which is used to make line break. There is a break line tag. See, line break, which is used to make the break. After that, button on tag is the button also inline element. How to do that one now? So by using button tag too, we can make that buttons and all. So the button also inline element. Save this one. After that, next one. Next one, site one tag is there. So what is the use of site tag now? Which is used to give the title of the content. For example, one para will be there. Within the para, lorem ipsum, 20 words of content is there. Save this one. Just go and check it your output. So now here the 20 words of content will be there. For example, my requirement is this lorem ipsum only we have to make as a title in this content. In that case, we are using that type site tag. And how to use that one? Within the para tag, site open tag, close tag will be there. Within the site only, the lorem ipsum will be there. Save this one. See, now the lorem, it comes some italic text type, right? This is the way for using that site tag and all. And then coming to the emphasized one tag is there. So what is the emphasized tag? EM tag. EM tag. Like the EM tag also, it comes like something italic type only. So for example, here EM tag, within the EM tag, like something good, evening, something content will be there. Save this file, just go and check it your output. See, we're getting some italic text style. Little bit text style different only is there. Nothing is different. And then next one is the strong one tag will be there. So what is the use of strong tag now? So which is used to give the strongest text. I mean the bold text will be there, right? The bold tag. So the bold tag, strong tag, both are same. It comes on some strongest text here. For example, good evening, the same content will be there. Save the file, just go and check it your output. See, it comes some boldest text here. We have to make as a one by in one now. We need to use that break line break tag. Save this one. See, now we are getting as a one by one. And then the next one, code one tag is. So what is the use of code tag now? Which is used to get computer code text. Computer text we are getting here. For example, now I'm going to use that one, BR tag. So after this BR tag, I'm going to use that code tag, the code tag and all. So like good evening only is there. Save the file, just go and check it your output now, whether it is working or not. See, now we are getting like computer text style. And then sample one tag will be there. So what is the use of sample tag now? The sample also similar to the code only. The sample also similar to the code tag only. For example, break line. So within the break line, I'm going to copy this same content like sample tag indicates samp tag, SAMP tag. In the SAMP tag also the same content only is there. See what is the difference is that nothing is different. The code tag, SAMP tag both are same. And then KBD one tag is there. What is the KBD tag? Keyboard input one tag is there. So what is the difference is that nothing is different. The code, SAMP and then KBD tag both are same. Everything the three tags are same. KBD tag, keyboard input tag. So here also the same content only is there. In between the break line is there. See, the first one is code tag, the second one is a stamp tag, the third one is a which one? The third one so the third one is a keyboard input tag. The three tags are same. And then variable also on tag is there. So the variable also it comes as a italic type one, italic text style on. variable tag. I mean the var tag, I think. Open tag, close tag. Good evening content will be. Save the file, just go and check it your output now. See, now we are getting some italic text here. And then next one. So definition one tag will be there. So what is the use of definition tag now? Which is used to give the definition of the content. For example, like same like right site tag, paragraph tag. Within the paragraph tag, lorem ipsum content will be there. So for this lorem ipsum dollar only we have to show like definition. In that case, we're using that dfn tag will be there. By using dfn tag too, we can give as a definition here. See, the site tag, definition tag, the both are same only. And then next one, italic one tag is. So what is the use of italic tag now? Which is used to come italic text type only. So the italic tag indicates which tag? I tag. The italic tag indicates I tag. Here only the same content only is there. Save this one. See, it comes italic text type. And then next one, image one tag is there. Like we have to make some images now. How to make the images now? Two ways to we can make that images. The break line will be there. After this break line, how to make one image? So two ways to we can make that images and all. What are the two images now? So we can make downloaded images also. We can make browser images also. Fine. So whenever we are making the downloaded images now, for example, first we have to know what is the image tag. So the image tag indicates IMG tag. The image tag indicates IMG tag. The browser here, you can search any images, browser images. This is a server images. You can take any one image here. So now this is the image. Now I want to make like this now. How to do that one now? So first thing we have to copy this image address. How to copy this image address now? Right click. We're getting one option here. Copy image address one option will be there. We have to copy that image address. Copy this one. After that, we have to pass that image address within our image. How to pass that image address now? There only we are using that source attributes. SRC is the attribute. Within the SRC attribute, we need to pass that image path now. Save the file. Just go and check it your output whether it is working or not. See, now the image will be cutting, but the image size is not fit right in this document. The image size is not fit here. So like the image size, it comes some default size. In that case, we have to assign some image size. So in that case, two attributes will be there. Height one attribute. So by using height attribute to for that image, we are going to assign some height now. So my requirement is I'm going to assign the height size 500 pixels. And then the width size also we have to assign for the image now. So the width size I'm going to assign 100 percentage. So 100 percentage means the document max width size will be 100 percentage. For the document fit, we have to make that image now. Fit width size we have to make. In that case, the width size will be 100 percentage. Save this one. See, now we are getting that proper image here. Whatever the image will be here, the same image only we are getting in our document also. So this is the way for we are making that image and all. This is a browser image, server images. For example, whenever we have some downloaded images, now how to make the downloaded images now? For example, see here, like for example, here some image will be there in our files. Like this is the image now. Like I want to make like this image. So in that case, you can just copy this image first. You can copy this image. After that, you can close that one, close that one. So now where the code will be there, heading file, where the heading file will be there now. So within our new folder only the code will be there. So for this code only we have to make that image, right? In that case, where the code will be there now, within our new folder file only, the code will be there. So just go to where the new folder file will be there, within our desktop. Within our desktop only, new folder file will be there. Within our new folder file only, the heading.html one file will be there. Index.html one file will be there. So the same folder, I'm going to paste that image also now. Image. Now, for this one, just go and check your output now here within our folder. See, now the image we are getting here. Before that, there is no image. Now we are getting the downloaded image. So now we need to make this image now. How to make this image now? Save only. So we have to use image tag here. Tag. So like in between, I'm going to assign the break line. BR to line tag will be there. Which attribute we have to use now? SRC is attribute. Source is attribute. Within the source attribute, we need to assign that image address, either the image path. So whenever we are making the browser images, na, image address we are passing. So whenever we are making the downloaded images, na, the image path we have to pass. So what is that image path? Na? The image name will be there, right? That is the image path. So what is the image name now? WP2568544.jpg. That is the image name. By using that image name to, we can pass that image path within our source attribute. Save that file. Just go and check it your document now. So now also we are getting that image, but the image size will be not fitting here. In that case, we have to assign that height attribute with that. The height up to 400 pixel, I'm going to assign that for assign the height for the image now. So width is the max width, the document max width 100 percentage. For the image also, I'm going to assign the 100 percentage of width size for the save this one. See, now we are getting that proper image. The height size 400 pixel is there, the width size 400 pixel is there. So we have to compress like width also 400 pixel. Now I'm going to assign 400 pixel will be width size. See now the height size also 400 pixel, width size also 400 pixel. So this is the way for we are making the images and all. Image tag. Two type of images we can make it. One is the browser images, and then second one is the downloaded images. And then the label input and all already we'll discuss in forms, right? Input tag, which is used input from the users, that is the input tag. And then label also, already we'll discuss that label also. And then see the label input tag will be there. After that, so Q1 tag is there. What is the use of Q tag now? Which is used to give the quotation of the content. For example, here something para will be there. So within the para, like present tech, present tech, something the content will be there. So now save the file. Just go and check it your output now. So the Besant text normal content will be there. So for this content, we have to assign some quotation now. How to assign the quotation now? There only we are using that quotation tag. So by using that quotation Q tag too, we can assign that quotation and all. Copy this one, you can paste it now. So for the second one, we are getting that quotation and all. Save. See, now we are getting the quotation for the Besant text. This is the quotation tag. The quotation tag indicates Q tag. And then option also will discuss last class. So select within the select, the option will be there. By using option tag to, we can assign n number of options. And then small one tag is there. So what is the use of small tag now? Which is used to make the smallest text here. Little bit different only. For example, H1 will be there. So within the H1, like simply, I'm going to assign web development. Web development, something content will be there. So I'm going to assign one more H1 also. The same content I'm going to assign within our H1 here. Copy this one. You can paste it here. Save this one. Just go and check it your output. What will happen now? So the first one also web development is there. The second one also web development is there. the same font size is there. Here also the same font size will be there. So whenever we're using some small tag, na, it compressing little bit the text size. For example, within our H1 only, I'm going to use that small tag. Within our small tag only, the web development will be there. So here also the H1 only is there. Here also the H1 only is there. So within the H1 only, the small tag will be there. Now what will happen now? Save this one. What is the difference will be we are getting here? So little bit, the second one will be it compressing the text. Why now? Because the small tag will be there by using small tag to we can make as a some smallest text here. That is a small tag. And then span on tag will be there. So what is the use of span tag now? Which is used to make, for example, like one H1 will be there. Within the H1, something my name will be there. Murthy will be there. Save this file. Just go and check it your output now. Now we are getting that Murthy. Normal content, normal texture is only is there. My requirement is this all letter will be there now. This all letter only we have to show some different text style, different font size, font style. In that case, we're using the span tag. The span tag and all empty element, it will not occupying any space here. Span element, within the span element only O will be there. Again here or THY will be there. Save this one. Just go and check it your output now. Now also we are getting same output. So for example, simply for this span element, I'm going to add some stylings. Uh, Whenever we are adding stylings now, style is attribute. So I'm going to changing the font color now. Color will be attribute. So red color I'm going to make the whole letter color. Save this one. See now the whole letter color only it comes as a red color. For example, this R letter we have to change some different color. How to do that one? No? So again for this R letter, we have to make one span element, open tag, close tag, and then you can assign that R letter. Style is the attribute, and then color is a property, and then whatever the value you want, you can assign. So simply I'm going to assign some like chat house color now. Say this one. See now the R letter we are getting as chat house. So like only the letters in between we have to show some highlights or something text style different something font style or font background color. In that case, we're using that span element. This is the way we're using the span element. And then subscription one tag is there. Subscription one tag is. So what is the use of subscription tag? What is the use of subscription tag? No? So subscription means it comes under the text. Subscription means it comes upper the text. For example, here one H1 will be there. One H1 will be there. Within H1, based on technologies will be content will be there. So here also H1 will be there. Within H1, based on technologies will be content. Save this one. So here also the Bayesian technologies, here also the Bayesian technology. So the width line, same line only we are getting right. So whenever we using the subscription now, the technologies we have to make under the Bayesian. In that case, we are using that subscription tag. So for the Bayesian, we have to make some upper the text. In that case, we are using that subscription tag. For example, the first one I'm going to use here, subscription tag, SUB. Within the SUV, the technologies is there. So for this one, I'm going to add that SUP tab. SUP. Save this one. Just go and check it your output. See, little bit we are getting under the text for the Besant. So little bit we are getting upper the text for the Besant. That is a subscription. That is a subscription tag. And then next one, text area. We'll discuss yesterday also the text area tag. And then TT1 tag will be there. So what is the TT tag now? Teletype text. That is a TT tag. So it comes some computer text style only. TT tag within the TT tag, like Save this one. See, it comes some computer text style on it. TT tag. So this is the way for we using that inline elements. What are the inline elements? Now, n number of inline elements will be there. Everything will discuss here on. Everything will be discussed. So see, what are the elements now? Abbreviation tag, and then this one we can't able to use this one bold tag, bidirectional over tag, break line tag, and then button tag, site tag, code tag, definition tag, embassy tag, italic tag, image tag, and then keyboard input tag, label tag, map object and all in JavaScript only. Quotation tag, sample tag, script also JavaScript only. Select tag, small tag, span tag, strong tag, subscription tag, text area tag, and then teletype, teletext type tag, variable tag, like n number of tags we'll discuss, right? So anyone having doubts in these tags? Like if you're having any doubts now, you can ask me now. Any doubts? Anyone having doubts? Everyone clear? Charita Sri, Deepti, Vidya, Karan, doubts. Okay, ma. Then there is no any doubts now, you can leave the meeting. Either if you're having any doubts now, you can unmute and then you can talk with, you can ask with me. No doubts? Can we end this meeting? Guys?